Tuna, a powerful predator, a culinary delicacy. For centuries, humans have sought this fish in the vast expanse of our oceans. It's a global industry, feeding millions and driving economies. But this pursuit has consequences. The methods we use to catch tuna impact not just the fish, but the entire marine ecosystem. Finding a sustainable balance is crucial. We must examine the different methods used to catch tuna, from the ancient to the cutting edge. By understanding their impact, we can make responsible choices for the future of our oceans. The challenge is clear. How do we feed a growing planet without emptying our oceans? Long before the advent of sonar technology and the use of massive industrial-sized nets, fishermen relied on traditional methods to catch tuna. These age-old techniques, passed down through generations, were deeply rooted in an intimate knowledge of the sea and the behavior of the fish. One such method that has stood the test of time is pole and line fishing. Skilled fishermen use a simple pole with a line and a baited hook, catching tuna one by one with precision and care. This selective approach not only ensures the quality of the catch but also minimizes bycatch, thereby reducing harm to other marine species. Another time-honored method is the use of fish aggregating devices, or FADs. These floating objects are designed to attract tuna and other fish, creating a focal point in the vast ocean. Once the fish are gathered around the FAD, fishermen use nets to encircle and capture them. While these traditional techniques may seem simpler compared to modern methods, they come with their own set of challenges. These methods often require more time, effort, and labor, and they may not yield the same volume of catch as modern industrial techniques. However, the dedication and skill involved in these practices are a testament to the fishermen's commitment to their craft. Moreover, these traditional methods are often more sustainable, helping to maintain the balance of marine ecosystems. In many coastal communities, these practices are not just about fishing. They are a way of life, fostering a deep connection between the people and the sea. As the sun rises over the horizon, these tried and true methods continue to play a vital role in the lives of fishermen and the health of our oceans. As technology advanced, so did our methods of fishing. Today, large-scale industrial fishing dominates the tuna industry, employing sophisticated technology to locate and catch vast quantities of fish. Purse seining is a common modern method. Large nets called purse seines encircle schools of tuna. The bottom of the net is then drawn closed, trapping the entire school. Longlining is another method, using miles of line with thousands of baited hooks. This technique, while efficient, can result in significant bycatch, unintentionally catching and killing non-target species. These modern methods have significantly increased the efficiency of tuna fishing. However, the environmental consequences of these practices are a growing concern. Each method of tuna fishing, traditional or modern, has its own set of advantages and disadvantages. Understanding these is crucial for evaluating their overall impact. Traditional methods are generally considered more sustainable. They result in lower bycatch and have less impact on the ocean floor. However, their lower yield may not be sufficient to meet the global demand for tuna. Modern methods, on the other hand, are highly efficient, capable of catching large quantities of tuna. This efficiency, however, comes at a cost, often resulting in high bycatch and potential damage to the marine environment. The choice between tradition and technology is not a simple one. It requires a careful consideration of both the economic and environmental factors. Section 5. The sustainability question, ensuring the future of tuna. Sustainability is at the heart of the tuna fishing debate. Overfishing can deplete tuna populations, disrupting the delicate balance of the marine ecosystem. Sustainable fishing practices aim to maintain tuna populations at healthy levels, ensuring they are not fished faster than they can reproduce. This requires responsible fishing quotas, minimizing bycatch, and protecting tuna habitats. International organizations like the International Commission for the Conservation of Atlantic Tunas, or ICCAT, work to manage tuna populations and promote sustainable fishing practices. The future of tuna depends on our collective efforts to fish responsibly, ensuring that this valuable resource is available for generations to come. Section 6. Real-world impacts, stories from the sea. The ocean, vast and mysterious, holds countless stories of life, survival, and the delicate balance of nature. The impact of tuna fishing is not just theoretical, it has real-world consequences for both the marine environment and the communities that depend on it. Fishing villages, where generations have lived off the sea, are now facing unprecedented challenges. The decline of Atlantic bluefin tuna populations is a stark example of overfishing. These majestic creatures, once plentiful, are now struggling to survive due to relentless fishing pressures. This once abundant species has been pushed to the brink due to unsustainable fishing practices. The sight of a bluefin tuna in the wild is becoming increasingly rare, a silent testament to human impact. The accidental capture of dolphins in Seine nets used for tuna fishing is another tragic consequence. These intelligent and social animals often fall victim to the very nets intended for tuna. While efforts have been made to reduce dolphin bycatch, it remains a significant issue. Conservationists and fishermen alike are working tirelessly to find solutions, but progress is slow and challenging. These examples highlight the urgent need for sustainable fishing practices. By adopting eco-friendly methods, we can help ensure that future generations will also be able to enjoy the bounty of the sea. Failure to act will have dire consequences for the health of our oceans and the livelihoods of millions who rely on them. The empty nets and the sight of a dead sea turtle caught in a net serve as grim reminders of what is at stake. The time to act is now, to protect our oceans and the myriad of life they support. Section 7. The quest for a sustainable solution, striking a balance. Finding a sustainable solution for tuna fishing is a complex challenge, requiring a multifaceted approach that balances economic needs with environmental protection. This involves collaboration among various stakeholders, including fishermen, scientists, and policymakers, who must work together to create and implement effective strategies. One approach is to promote responsible fishing gear and techniques. By adopting these methods, fishermen can reduce the negative impact on marine life and ensure the long-term viability of tuna populations. This includes using circle hooks that are less likely to be swallowed by sea turtles. Circle hooks are designed to catch fish by the mouth, reducing the likelihood of injuring or killing non-target species such as sea turtles. Additionally, developing fishing gear that allows for the release of bycatch is essential. Bycatch, or the unintentional capture of non-target species, can have devastating effects on marine ecosystems. Specialized nets and other gear can help minimize this issue. Another crucial aspect is strengthening fisheries management. Effective management ensures that fishing practices are sustainable and that fish populations remain healthy. This includes setting science-based catch limits. By using scientific data to determine how much fish can be caught without depleting the population, we can help maintain the balance of marine ecosystems. Establishing marine protected areas is also vital. These areas provide safe havens for marine life to breed and grow, helping to replenish fish stocks and protect biodiversity. Furthermore, combating illegal fishing is necessary for sustainability. Illegal fishing practices undermine conservation efforts and can lead to overfishing and the depletion of fish stocks. Consumers also have a role to play by choosing sustainably sourced tuna products. By making informed choices, consumers can support sustainable fishing practices and encourage the industry to adopt more responsible methods. Look for certifications like the Marine Stewardship Council, or MSC label. This label indicates that the tuna has been caught using sustainable practices, ensuring that the fishery meets rigorous environmental standards. By supporting products with the MSC label, consumers can contribute to the preservation of marine ecosystems and the long-term sustainability of tuna fishing. Together, we can strike a balance between meeting our needs and protecting the environment for future generations. Section 8. The final verdict. A sea of challenges, a hope for harmony. The tuna fishing showdown is not about declaring a single winner. It's about understanding the complexities of the issue and striving for a future where both tuna and humans can thrive. Traditional methods, while often more sustainable, may not meet the global demand. Modern methods, while efficient, carry significant environmental risks. The key lies in finding a balance, embracing technology while adhering to sustainable practices. The future of tuna depends on our collective action. By supporting sustainable fishing, advocating for responsible policies, and making conscious consumer choices, we can ensure that this majestic fish continues to grace our oceans for generations to come.